Welcome to our channel. Today, we are unveiling one of the most powerful secrets hidden in plain sight: ordinary salt. You may think of it as just a kitchen ingredient, but in reality, salt is a mystical mineral with incredible energy. It has been used for centuries to cleanse negativity, attract abundance, and protect against misfortune. Want to know how to harness its magical power? Stay with us until the end. You'll discover ancient rituals and practical tips to change your life with just a pinch of salt. Since ancient times, salt has been revered in different cultures. In Egypt, it was used in sacred rituals. In Japan, sumo wrestlers sprinkle salt to purify the ring before a match. In Christianity, holy water often contains salt for its cleansing properties. Across the world, people have always known salt is more than just a seasoning. It is a powerful tool for protection and prosperity. One of the most well-known abilities of salt is its power to absorb negative energy. If you've ever entered a room and felt heavy or uneasy, negativity might be lingering there. To cleanse your home, simply sprinkle salt in the corners of each room and leave it overnight. The next day, sweep it away and discard it outside. This practice removes stagnant, harmful energy and refreshes the space. Another simple but effective method is the saltwater cleanse. Mix a tablespoon of salt in a glass of water and place it near your bed or in any area that feels heavy. The salt water will absorb negative vibrations. Be sure to replace it every few days and pour the old water down the drain to eliminate collected negativity. If you're feeling weighed down emotionally or spiritually, try a salt bath. Add a handful of sea salt to warm water and soak for at least 15 minutes. This will cleanse your aura, removing stress and emotional blockages. Many people report feeling lighter, refreshed, and more positive after a salt bath. Now, let's talk about attracting wealth with salt. One of the simplest and most effective techniques is the salt prosperity jar. Take a small jar, fill it with sea salt, and place 3 coins inside. Set the jar near your front door or in the wealth area of your home, typically the southeast corner. This attracts financial stability and abundance into your household. Another powerful ritual involves salt and a green candle. Light the candle and sprinkle a circle of salt around it while focusing on your financial goals. Visualize money flowing into your life effortlessly. Let the candle burn completely, then dispose of the salt outside, releasing your financial wishes to the universe. Did you know salt can also protect you from envy and the evil eye? Many cultures believe that carrying a small pouch of salt in your pocket or purse acts as a shield against negativity. Some even rub a little salt on their doorstep to prevent bad energy from entering the house. If you've had a streak of bad luck, you can use the salt mirror ritual to reflect negativity away. Take a small mirror, sprinkle salt over it, and leave it by your window overnight. In the morning, wipe it clean and imagine all negativity being erased from your life. This is a powerful way to reset your energy and welcome new opportunities. For those who struggle with nightmares or restless sleep, try placing a small bowl of salt under your bed. This simple trick absorbs any harmful energies that might be disturbing your rest, leading to peaceful and rejuvenating sleep. If you run a business or work in sales, sprinkle a little salt near the entrance of your store or office. This is believed to attract good customers and ensure smooth financial transactions. Many business owners have used this method for generations to keep prosperity flowing. If you're experiencing conflicts or tension in your relationships, consider the salt harmony ritual. Dissolve some salt in warm water and lightly sprinkle it around your home while thinking of peace and love. This practice clears misunderstandings and invites harmony into your household. Now that you know the incredible power of salt, it's time to put these methods into practice. Whether you want to cleanse your home, protect yourself from negativity, or attract wealth, salt is an easy and effective tool to use every day.